Imagine a silent night, not on Earth, but in the fiery heart of our solar system. On December 24, 2024, while many celebrated the holidays, NASA's Parker Solar Probe was making history. This car-sized spacecraft plunged closer to the Sun than anything before, reaching just 3.8 million miles from its surface. It became the fastest object ever built, racing at 430,000 miles per hour, enough to cross the US in seconds. On board, the WISPR camera captured the most detailed images of the Sun's corona ever seen, revealing the birthplace of the solar wind. For the first time, we were inside the Sun's atmosphere, witnessing the forces that shape our solar system. The Parker Solar Probe is a symbol of human curiosity and courage, enduring extreme conditions to send back knowledge for all. Its journey is a gift, unwrapping the Sun's mysteries and inspiring us to look up with wonder. The Parker Solar Probe story began in 2018, launching on a mission named for Eugene Parker, who first theorized the solar wind. Getting close to the Sun isn't easy. Earth's speed and the Sun's gravity make it a cosmic challenge. Engineers solved this by using Venus as a gravitational slingshot, performing 7 flybys to gradually shrink the probe's orbit. Each pass brings it closer, like a tetherball winding around a pole. In 2021, Parker became the first spacecraft to touch the Sun, crossing into the corona. Every maneuver is meticulously planned, each flyby a step in a marathon of exploration. The mission is a masterclass in patience and precision, proving that creativity and persistence can achieve the impossible. Each milestone brings us closer to understanding the star that gives us life. Parker's journey shows that with ingenuity, even the most ambitious goals are within reach. How does a spacecraft survive the Sun's heat? The answer: an extraordinary heat shield. Parker's thermal protection system is an 8-foot-wide carbon composite disc, facing the Sun head-on. While the front endures 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, the instruments behind stay at a cool 85 degrees Fahrenheit. This lightweight, resilient shield reflects and insulates, making the mission possible. Without it, Parker would be destroyed instantly. This is our technological champion, a modern Prometheus. The shield stands as a symbol of human innovation, letting us reach into the fire and return with knowledge. For centuries, we studied the Sun from afar, but Parker Solar Probe changed everything. By flying through the corona, it's giving us our first look at the birthplace of the solar wind and capturing stunning images of its turbulent flows. Parker has observed massive coronal mass ejections, solar storms that can disrupt Earth's technology, and even witnessed 2 CMEs colliding. The probe also revealed the heliospheric current sheet, a giant ripple marking the Sun's magnetic flip. These discoveries are rewriting our understanding of heliophysics, turning guesses into direct measurements. Parker's data is a treasure trove, helping us see the Sun as a dynamic, powerful engine at the heart of our solar system. For decades, scientists wondered where the solar wind comes from and what gives it speed. Parker is finally providing answers. It discovered switchbacks, wild kinks in the Sun's magnetic field that fling particles outward, creating fast solar wind from coronal holes. Closer in, Parker found slower wind originating from helmet streamers, giant plasma loops above active regions. For the first time, we know there are at least 2 distinct sources of solar wind, each with unique properties. This breakthrough lets scientists build better models of solar wind behavior. Understanding these sources is crucial for predicting space weather and protecting our planet. Parker's discoveries make our solar system less mysterious and more predictable. Why does this matter? Because space weather affects us all. Solar storms can disrupt communications, damage satellites, and even cause power outages on Earth. Our technology, GPS, internet, satellites, and astronauts, are all vulnerable. Parker's data is revolutionizing space weather forecasting, giving us earlier warnings and better protection. By flying through solar storms near their source, Parker provides the ground truth data we need. This mission is a critical investment in our technological safety, helping us build more resilient systems. Parker Solar Probe is our scout, venturing into the storm to protect our future. Parker Solar Probe's journey is far from over. More daring flybys are planned, pushing the boundaries of exploration. We're living in a golden age of solar discovery, and you can join in. Follow the mission at science.nasa.gov for the latest images and discoveries. Share your excitement with #SolarCloseUp and connect with a global community of space fans. These discoveries inspire the next generation of explorers and dreamers. Parker's journey reminds us that with bold action, humanity can achieve the impossible. So keep looking up, stay curious, and follow along as we reach for the stars.